Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm MamBa. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. Let me ask you guys something. Do you want to share viral Instagram reels from any account instantly and automatically? In this video, I will show you how to download Instagram reels in books using MKT Viral, the all-in-one automation tool for marketers. MKT Viral have you collect and download reel from Instagram profile, hashtag, or specific link, or in just a few clicks. Whatever you are content creator, media agencies, or marketer, this feature saves a ton of time is gathering viral content for reposting or analysis. You can paste an Instagram profile link, a real UID, or your search by hashtag. For example, let's try travel reel in Instagram. Okay, here's more than 4 million reels by this hashtag. Okay, now I will show you the interface of MKT Viral. You guys coming like this. All you now see is MKT Viral interface. Now go to scanning function or loss. You can select platform, Instagram Reel platform, scan by keywords or user. Now I will enter the keywords is travel reel. Okay, and maximum video is 50 and select account. Alright, let's start scanning. Once the scan is complete, you will see all the real thumbnail display here. Now, simply select the video you want to or click down all to save everything as one. Here is 50 Instagram reel about travel keyword. Please select here, click right here, and you can all download to your computer. In the video management right here, you can more text Instagram reel. Okay, you click here and save to the ID, save all title. You can save to the file in the video manage. It's right here, or you can save in the file in other folder. I will save the file in the. I will save the file in another folder. Here, click right here, folder, diary. Yeah, can be easy. Okay, let's start downloads. And that is all your review are now downloaded in HD quality and ready to reuse. For inspiration, editing, or cross-platform marketing, you see it's right here. That is complete. With your 50 Instagram reel about travel reel. Now, if you are doing social media marketing, MKT Viral is maybe a must-have tool. It's not only download reel, but also have you analyze trend, repost automatically, and manage beautify platform. Please click the link below in the description for free demo, or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video end right here. Thank you for everything. Thank you everyone for attending today broadcast. If you find interesting, interesting, please leave me a like, a share, subscribe. See you all in next video.